my name is Meg from Vernon Auto Group. One of the first things you may want to do with your new SuperDuty truck is learn how to sync your phone. Today I'm going to show you how to do just that. The first step is to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Now that Bluetooth is enabled, select Add Device from your home screen. Once your phone displays your vehicle, select it on the screen. Verify that the pins match, then select Pair. If you want to sync your contacts, select Allow, then select Finish. Now that your phone is synced to your truck, you can make and receive calls, hear and reply to text messages,
Hey, how are you?
and even use Siri. If you found this information useful, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date as we release new content.